Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to color grade a portrait photo. So at first I'll go to the open up and I downloaded photo from the deviant.com, and I'll give the credit line and all the download links in my video description, so check it out. And after that I'll make a copy by pressing Ctrl J, and in the skin color you are getting the just some spots, so you can remove that by using the healing brush tool, spot healing brush tool, and just make the setup like that. Content aware, just click over there, make it normal, and the brush size will be like this, or you can make it as your own setup. So just click over that, so you can just click and you can remove the spots like this. So just one click. Okay, that's good. So just one click, it will remove the spot. Okay, and after that just make a copy by pressing Ctrl J, and then I'll use the plugins and I'll give that download and just installation guideline in my description. So here is the filter and the photo toolbox and skin finer. So I'll open it up. Okay, and then I'll smooth the skin. So here is the all the panels, the amount of smoothing, it will be like around 60 or 70%. So I'm zooming in this one and I'll work with that. So fine, plus 9 or 15 is good, and then the cursors like that, and the hue, the skin tone will be red type, so I'll make it like that, -21. The saturation, I'll keep the saturation 12, that's good. And brightness, if you increase the brightness it will be like that, so I won't just increase the brightness, so 15 is good. And the contrast, I'll add some contrast, and shadow, I'll add some shadow, that means I'll reduce the shadow, and highlight a little bit up. So that's good. So you're getting the before and after change in this portion. So okay, and hit the OK button. It will take time and load in your PC. So okay, done. And after that go to the filter and the camera filter. So from the camera filter I'll do the color correction, and for that I have a preset and I made it, and you can use it your own photography. So here is the options, and I'll load the settings and the portrait color correction and open it up. Yeah, you'll get like that. So you can adjust the color, all the things, you have that assumptions, so you can use that. So I'm making it a little bit cool color like this. And here is the curves, I'll adjust the curves like this, the warm and the just dramatic look. Yeah, that's good. And let's see the before and after. So the before one was like that and after one is like that, and hit the OK button. Okay, it will take time, so let's see the before one and after one. And after that I'll go to the filter and the Nick collection and color effects Pro 4. So this Nick collection is totally free, you can download this one, and I'll give that downloading in my video description, so you can check it out and you can use, download, and all the thing will be same when I'm using that. So I'm using here the cross processing options, and here is lots of methods, you can try those out if you need or if you want, so you can use that. So I'm using the L03, this one, and hit the OK button. And this one will take time and it'll give you the output result as well. So, and I'll down the opacity, yeah, 85% is good. And after that go to the levels from the adjustment layer, and I'll adjust like that, that's cool. And after that go to the curves mode and RGB mode, this one, just press once and lock this point and just make it up like that. yeah, that's good. So I'm making group by pressing Ctrl G and make it merge by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E. So let's see the before one and after one. We're getting a nice effect and dramatic look, and this one is the professional look in your photography. It will make your photography more professional, so you can try it in your photography. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and share with your friends. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.